In this video, we will fix HRESULT 0xc8000222 error.NET Framework 4.0 while problem installation. So let's begin. So to solve this .NET Framework 4.0 error, what you have to do is just go to your start and type in here for cmd. And here we have command prompt as desktop app. Just go and right click it, and here you have to remember to run it as administrator, otherwise your access will be denied to most of the command. I will suggest you to paste in for solution. So just go and run it as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, just go in the description and there will be a command with the name of net stop WuAuServ. Just go and copy it, and here just go and paste it. So the command is net space stop space WuAuServ. Once you have pasted the command, hit enter, and it says the Windows update service is stopping. The Windows update service was stopped successfully. After that, just go to your start and type in here for run, RUN, and here you can see run as desktop app. Just go and open it, and here type in for percentage WINDIR percentage and click OK. Once you are here, just go and scroll down below and search for software distribution. Here we have software distribution folders. So just go and click on it and right click it and rename it as capital S, capital D, OLD. So we have capital S, capital D and small OLD. So it's SDold, and it will ask for permissions, so just go and allow it. So here it is, SDold. Once we have done so, again go to your description and there will be a command net start WuAuServ. So just go and copy it and paste again it in cmd. That says net space start space WuAuServ and hit enter. Once we have done so, it says Windows update service is starting. The Windows update service was started successfully. After that, just go and close the cmd and again try to install the .NET Framework 4.0. Hope the problem will be solved. If you still have any issue, you can comment below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.